Okay, guys. So today we are talking about what is the difference between uh, call, apply, and bind in JavaScript. Okay, so you must be thinking why I have switched from kind of Java to JavaScript because currently I am working with JavaScript and React. So I wanted to learn some technologies and something like this. So I will try to make it fun. It's just a 3-minute video. So let's see. So basically, the first thing is a good image. I don't know why. So let's go to introduction. The introduction is a tale of three methods. So it is what it's saying is we can determine, call, apply, and bind. This is called three musketeers of forward stool and like that and this. Now let's go and see what is a call method. So call method will be all about invoking a function with a specific this context and passing the arguments one by one. So it's a very good thing. You are invoking a function that has a specific this context and you are passing it in the arguments one by one. Now, the call method of a function instances calls this function with a given this value and arguments provided individually. So if any function has a call method, okay, and the call method of the all the instances will only particularly call the this value and whatever arguments are provided to this particular value only. I mean, this is not this, but the this in the Java keyword. So suppose we have a good example here is like whenever you do a relay race, right? So you carry the baton with your hands. So in that one, that's a this value, and you are passing it. So like this. So if you see a function introduce first name and last name, so it comes to you. You say my first name is this and that. So introduce dot call person Derek and this. So it will only call, hello, my name is Dr. Derek A. Okay. So that means whatever you will be calling to that particular instance will be having a call a specific person. Now let's talk about apply. So now there is a apply method, which is like a brother or sibling to a call method. It allows you to invoke a function with a specific this context. So the argument here is not provided one by one. The argument here is provided as an array. Only difference I can see is your function will have the this context. In call, it will be one by one. In apply, it will be an array. However, the apply, as we have already seen. Okay, so now you see we are greeting someone as a salutation and the name, and we have an agent. So greetings dot apply because we have greetings, comma, Melinda Ray. So agent is the salutation and name. Okay, sorry. Agent is agent, whatever is the agent. And your greetings is salutation. Then this dot title, where title you're calling it from the agent and name. So greetings, agent, Melinda Ray. Okay. So this is how you are taking it up. Now you see constant agent has a object of title. That's why we are getting this dot title. Everything inside this is actually getting treated. Okay. And why this here? Because you need to get the context from here. This is not in the function, right? Now, coming to the last part, if I'm going too fast, let me know. But now coming to the last part called binding your spells with bind. This always tricks me in Java also sometimes whenever I was starting. So unlike its relatives like Ballal Dev and Bahubali, call and apply, bind doesn't automatically invoke the target function. Okay. The bind method of a function instances, it actually creates a new function. That's when that function is called, then at that time, it actually binds the this keyword to get the new set of provided value and given a sequence of arguments preceding any provided when the new function is called. Basically what? It will not directly invoke. When it is called, it will create a new function, bind that this reference from there and take whatever is coming from the future value. So again, suppose we have a say hello, we have only greeting here. So console.log greeting from the function and this dot name from whatever the context we are seeing. So say hello dot bind. So we will have another method called greet cat. It will bind the cat value from the constant and the meow for the greeting, and then particular thing it will call a greet cat. So basically say hello here is binding the value of a different object along with the current input, and this is getting created as a new function altogether. So conclusion is very good. Conclusion is like a property reference operator in reverse, the call, and apply is like call, but it lets you array instead of a sequence operator. Bind, however, is like call, but it returns a new function. If whenever you are binding something, you have to return a new function. And it's a very good article. I hope you have liked it. And let's move ahead tomorrow with a new article. For now, bye-bye.